The data science role has expanded over time. Now, as computers are quicker and storage is affordable, we can come up with predictions in minutes, something that would take hours. Data scientists earn about $124,000 a year because there aren't enough the role of skilled individuals in this domain. That's why data science with Python is in demand more than ever. 1. Fraud and risk detection. One of the first uses of data science was in finance. Banks were tired of losing money on poor quality loans. Banks had lots of data on people who had applied for loans but didn't have any idea what to do with it. So, they hired data scientists to help. 2. Healthcare. Data science is of immense application in the health sector. Physicians apply data science in assessing medical images and determining issues, including tumors or clogged arteries. 3. Genetics and genomics. Data science assists scientists in developing more tailored treatments according to genetics. The aim is to know how our DNA affects our health and how we react to various medications. 4. Drug development. It is extremely challenging and time-consuming to come up with new medicines, about 12 years. It is extremely expensive and involves a lot of testing. 5. Patient and customer service online support. Sometimes, patients won't need to visit the doctor at all. There are mobile apps powered by AI that can treat you at home. 6. Internet search. When one hears data science, the first thing that comes to mind is searching on the internet. We generally think about Google, but there are certain other search engines such as Yahoo, Bing, Ask, and AOL. 7. Targeted advertising. If you believe that computer searching on the internet is the greatest application of data science, reconsider. Digital marketing is a huge industry. 8. Recommended websites. We all receive recommendations for other similar products from sites such as Amazon, don't we? These recommendations enable you to find products that interest you out of billions of options. 9. Advanced image recognition. If you upload a photo of friends on Facebook, it will tag them automatically. This is because of a special feature called face recognition. 10. Speech recognition. Some of the best speech recognition software are Google Voice, Siri, and Cortana. All these help you to translate your words into text. 11. Planning airline routes. The airline industry is not a cakewalk. Numerous airlines operate in the red since they have no passengers or make too little. 12. Gaming. Games now employ intelligent computer programs referred to as machine learning algorithms. They learn as you move along and advance to higher levels. 13. Augmented reality. Augmented reality, AR, is an excellent application of data science in the future. It overlays computer images over the real world to make enjoyable experiences. For instance, the Pokemon Go game allows you to view Pokemon on walls or roads through your phone, yet they do not exist. Our employs data and intelligent technology to make it possible. Conclusion. Data science is changing the world in various interesting ways, such as in medicine and gaming. There are more career opportunities in this area as these technologies advance. Studying data science skills through courses like iCertGlobal can open up numerous doors and enable you to succeed in today's technology world.